Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a 2021 room tour. Yes, y'all see my room is kind of different. If y'all don't remember my last room, how it looked like last decor or last style, how I had it. Here's a clip of my last room looking like. And now my room after. Okay, so here's the entrance of my room. This is like the side of my room, I would say. On this corner right here, y'all see the lid. Y'all see the leaves on the top of my TV. So here's the TV right here, and the table right here. There's a candle holder right here. The lamp, my CD player that I had last time in my room, my closet, and the curtains over the closet. But on this side right here, y'all can't see my organized containers that I had my clothes in. And I got this off Walmart. Yes, I got this off Walmart. It's very useful, very helpful for your clothes, or you do anything with it anytime. And y'all can see the leaves. And then leaves. Oh yeah, by the way, this leaf right here is from Dollar Tree. A jewelry box. Yes, jewelry box. My jewelry box, and I got a banana powders right here. And this side right here is like a hygiene, get ready, you know. Got a controllers. Got my perfumes and my skincare. I got Vaseline, Shea Moisture, and not Shea Moisture Daily Hydrated Skin. And this the work that I paint in. Trying to do everything before summer ends. And me and my sister did this very long time ago. Can't tell you what year, but I really can't remember. But all we did was use cotton balls, water, paint, and glitter, and it's still looking good, I would say. But here's my favorite part of the room. It's my wall in my bed. Ain't gonna lie, let's see the vines. Got my vines. You go all the way to the top. Oh my gosh. And my neon sign. Ooh, they're so pretty. It definitely look pretty at night. But yeah, this is my bed. You know, my same pillowcase that I did on my room transformation. But here is a collage. Yeah, that's my collage wall. It's like a half of it, which I really do like. And here's my letter vines that I put it right here on the side, and right here when I lay down, I see it like hanging down. It's hanging down from the ceiling. God, take me forever. Yeah, it's hanging down from the ceiling. I really love this thing a lot. Oh, it's my favorite part. And then I got some more pictures for the collage, but I've been having this one, but it's this one right here, and this one is from the collage right here. But I got my calendar, and this is from Walmart. And here's the other side of my room is my desk, besides my bed, and I really like this a lot. This is from my room last time too, and I got a chair right here. And this is the window, as y'all can see. The window. Oh, very gloomy day on a Saturday. But yeah, this is my desk right here. I got the mirror, I have a plant, got my surface, I got a mouse. I got it from Macy's, but it was on the clearance. So yeah, I got this from Macy's. Got my water bottle right here. Okay, here's another side table right here. I would say got my galaxy light, my phone, and the dresser. Don't mind the cord. But yeah, I got my books in here and some other stuff. But yeah, I really like this a lot. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my room. Oh yeah, and this is what my mama made. She gave this for me. She did this for me, and I really love it. Hey, I don't know. I don't know. It's a dream catcher. Oh, I probably won't. I don't know. It's something else. But yeah, she made this for me, and I really love it a lot. But yeah, this is my room. The vines is from Amazon. My neon sign is from Amazon, and the collage pic is from Amazon. I didn't know the collage pic sale on Amazon. Like I didn't know it would be on Amazon, and until my sister told me, and I got this one, and I really love it a lot. I think it was my style. But yeah, the vines from Amazon, like I say. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for everyone for watching. Don't forget to follow all my socials: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, and make sure that y'all subscribe to this channel and comment, share, and like to this channel. Okay, and I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.